Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to share your Google Search Console access to somebody that you want to. You go on the Google Search Console, you go to settings over here, click on settings. Here you click for users and permission. You have to click on add user. You have to enter a valid email address. Here you have two options which you want to make him or a owner. You want to give full access or restricted for a period of time. Let's click for full, and now we've added the user, and it can enter on this Google control. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day and check my bio. Bye bye.